All right, from luxury SUV, well, from luxury sedans rather, to the luxury truck side of the business and EVs, you're looking ahead to Rivian earnings as well. So what are we expecting there?
Yeah, earnings tonight coming out after the bell. Watching for a top line of around $561 million, which is actually a pretty healthy jump from Q2, and an adjusted loss of $1.86 a share. Also, the big thing people are watching again is their 2022 production forecast. They say they can hit that 25,000 unit forecast for the year. That means they got to make around 10,600 vehicles in Q4. It's definitely possible. They made 7,300 in Q3, so it is definitely within the reach for them, but it's going to be a stretch. And if they get close, I think that'd be good enough for investors at this point.
We've heard from other automobile companies over the course of the past few months that they're producing vehicles, and some of them are really just waiting for additional components in the form of chips in order to be able to move them out of production in full and count them as completed vehicles and able to go out to either dealerships or the consumers' driveways and garages. And so for what we've been watching with Lucid, with Rivian, are they reporting any of that similarly as well, or are they navigating this differently?
They've both mentioned that issue of supply chain constraints, chip constraints that have affected production. They haven't actually put a number on how many vehicles were impacted, whereas like Ford and GM said, hey, we had 40,000 vehicles or we had 90,000 vehicles impacted. Both those companies say that in Q4 they'll actually catch up and put those chips in. So yes, they have been, but they haven't actually said, they haven't quantified what that is.
Interesting.
Exactly.
All right. Pras Subramanian joining us to break down all things Lucid and preview Rivian. We appreciate it, Pras.